Alrighty, welcome back to Ben Buckler Boards. I'm here to show you how to put a revision mirror on a Super 73 e-bike. It's pretty simple, but I'll walk you through what we do so you can learn from that. So for a while we had the motorcycle revision mirrors that were designed to fit on your regular petrol-powered motorcycles, and they were working pretty well. They're quite robust, but they had some kind of limitations with the fixture in the bar. So what we've done is we've moved over to another version of the rear vision mirror that's available on our website now. And it's actually a lighter version made from neoprene, and it's quite a robust set of rear vision mirror plastic there. And I'll show you how to fit this on a S2, which is the same as RX. So the first thing you'll need to do is get off the end cap of the handlebar. And you do that with a small Allen key. There's a small little Allen key screw down here, and you just loosen that up, and then this end cap just pops off, like so. Then you want to put this in. Now, the one thing we do is we pull this sleeve off because you don't need that for the size of the bars in the Super 73s. And then that can go in there, and then you just use your 5mm Allen key to tighten that up. Now note that there's quite a variety of ways you can have that rear vision mirror set up. So obviously I've got it up top, or you can spin it around and have it underneath and then turn that around to be kind of tucked in or out if you want it right out. So that's a neat rear vision mirror there, quite versatile. We love it. It's lightweight, it's durable, and that's why we use it. So you can just sit on the bike and just adjust that to how you like for your height and your ride style. Having a revision mirror on the right-hand side in Australia is particularly helpful because you can see cars coming up behind you that are wanting to overtake you. You can just kind of judge and feel a bit safer on the road and know when's the right time to duck out into the traffic. So that's a great revision mirror. Now, if you do have the Super 73 S1 or the ZG, it comes with a handlebar like this. How to get that on is to basically just leave this on and just take a razor and slice off that edge there so that you've got a hole then to put that in. So that's what we do. Nice and simple. Hopefully that helps you.